Conversation. We're joined by Carl Reisch, a prevention specialist with Region 10. He's sitting down with Aaron.
Hi, Carl. So nice to have you here.
Hi, Aaron. Thanks for having me.
You're very welcome. So this month, October, is Substance Use and Misuse Prevention Month. So can you tell us a little bit more about this Prevention Month?
Sure. The Prevention Month is really a time to raise public awareness about substance use and misuse and promote healthy decision making and helping people with their recovery efforts, as well as it's really an important time to do early conversations with young people about the risks of drugs and alcohol. We also know that there's kind of a stigma around substance use that can prevent people from seeking help. And so we want to kind of have open and supportive conversations that really can help people feel more comfortable getting that help. That's
great. And then what kinds of activities is Region 10 engaging in to prevent substance use and use?
Really a lot of youth education, as you mentioned. The good news is youth substance use has had kind of a stable decline in recent years and months, but there's still a lot of work to be done. In fact, as an example, 2.25 million students reported tobacco use. Most of that's vaping in the last 30 days. So that's quite a bit, something we need to work on. But we're fortunate, we have a tobacco prevention grant from the Virginia Foundation for Healthy Youth that supports us in our efforts. And it lets us do evidence-based curriculum for 5th and 6th graders in the Charlottesville City schools. And we'll begin that next month with a program called Catch Your Breath. So that'll be interesting as well.
And what can caregivers do at home to support these efforts?
Well, parents really have kind of a major role to play at home. And it's important to start with open, age-appropriate conversations with their kids about substance use and the risks of that substance use. So there's quite a bit of that. But there's also important for parents to really talk to kids directly and honestly. And if you do that, kids are much more likely to respect the rules and understand the expectations, especially if they know that these conversations are coming from the heart and they're coming from people that really care about their well-being.
Yeah, absolutely. So where can people go to learn more?
Well, they can always go to region10.org/talk, and we have a lot of resources there for them, videos, how to have these difficult conversations sometimes. And then caregivers themselves, they can do a lot too. They can go to region10.org events and maybe even have the chance to do like a youth mental health first aid class, something like that. So a lot of resources available for folks.
That's wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Carl, for coming in. It was great having you here.
Thank you so much for having me.
You're very welcome.